Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium for the month of October 2020. So if you want to know what this little box is all about and what I got in here, because I'm super excited to know what we got, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please, of course, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and jump right into this little box. I have not opened it. It still does have the little seal on it, as you guys can see. So I always like to open this up and give you guys what my first impressions are. So going back to my email, I did look up like the facts, and this box does weigh 2 pounds, 2.1 pounds. That's the weight of this month's box. This box retails for about $29 or so. And it is a monthly subscription that gets mailed out to you every single month. This one is the premium box, so it's like right in between the base box and the box looks that they have every quarter. So I just opened it with my little pencil. I'm so excited! Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in because I talk way too much. But let's go ahead and open it up. This is, oh, I see like a liquid lipstick right here. So this is what the month's theme is. And it looks like it's spooky, it's candy, it's sweet, it's Halloween season. So I'm really excited to get into it. We're gonna go ahead and start off with what's up here on top. I see something that I like and it's from Fenty Beauty. I'm excited. I'm not sure what variation I got, but let me look at it. Okay, so this is, it's blinding on here, but this is variation number 2. Numero dos. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start off with this liquid lipstick because this color is so freaking gorgeous. I love. Okay, guys, so this is the Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Oh my God, this color is so beautiful. Okay, let me swatch it. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful color. This is what the color looks like. It's very nice for fall. I'm feeling the fall vibes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am feeling the fall vibes. Like, look at this color. But this color right here is super gorgeous. And the applicator on it is really, really nice. As you guys can see, it's like kind of slanted. So you can do really good detail work on your lips if you like overdraw your lips like how I do it. This is a really, really good. It was nice and creamy and smooth. It's not patchy at all. Usually it does have like little patches if it's like a bold color. But as I can see, it looks pretty smooth and creamy. I really like this. I will go over the prices till the very end because my hyper ass can't wait to see what else we got in here. Okay. Next up, we got something from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Brow MVP. Oh my God, and I got mine in the shade called Dark Brown. Now, I am so super loyal to Anastasia Beverly Hills. I draw my fake eyebrows with the dip brow, and I'm like super loyal to that. I've been using that for years, so I'm excited to try something different. Okay, so it has like the little brush up here. It's double-ended, double-sided. And then this is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see it. Okay, I'm so excited about this. Let me try it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Oh my God, I'm super excited to try this product out. Yes! Okay. So far, I'm impressed. I'm liking this box so far. 2 items down. Okay, next we got a tinted face oil from the brand called Kosas. And I got mine in the shade called 05, and it says Tone. So what is this? It's a tinted face oil. So is it like a foundation? Oh, the packaging's pretty nice. I like it. Okay. It sounds super, super liquidy, and I can hear like a little ball in there. I don't know what this says. But I'm going to squeeze it out. I want to see what it actually is. Okay guys, so this is what it is. It's super runny because it is an oil. It feels so good, and I think they got the shade about right. I'm excited about this. So this is a foundation. I'm really excited. I'm so happy that they sent out complexion products because that's one of my favorite things is complexion, and I haven't had a complexion item in my Boxy Premium for a very long time. Look how hydrating this looks. It's like gonna give me a really nice luminous look. My skin's kind of in between. It's like combo at the moment because I'm super oily, but then I'm going through like a dry little path right now. So I'm really excited to try out this foundation. It's very unique. I have nothing similar or close to this. I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, I'm loving it so far, guys. I'm super excited. Oh my God. If things couldn't get any better, so they also did send out a, looks like a palette. Let me open this up really quickly. All right, guys, so this is the palette that we received, and it's by the brand called Illuminati, and it's in collaboration with Isabel Bedoya. Ooh, okay. I love the packaging. It's very pretty from the outside, and this is what the palette looks like. OMG, I love it. Has a full mirror up here, and I love these kinds of palettes because you can fold them all the way back, hold it in one hand, and then go in with your brush and like do your eyeshadow and stuff. I already see a lot of shades that I like. This palette is so gorgeous. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but in person, it's so beautiful. This shade right here called Izzy is so pretty. Okay, let me see. So, oh my God. Let me see. I don't even have any more space to swatch it. Okay, there you go. Oh my God, I want to put this on top of my eyeshadow. Also, I really like this shade right over here, these metallics and glitter shades. Oh my God, how pretty! Okay, I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh my God, it's so nice and smooth and buttery. Oh my God, my camera blinds it, but here it is. It's so pretty. This palette is very gorgeous. It's so pretty. You can create a whole bunch of different looks. This yellow shade, oh my God, I'm loving it. I'm so excited for this palette. I can't wait to actually play with it and get inspired and create some really nice fall looks. I'm totally feeling it. All right, guys, we have 2 more items in our box. And so far, 1, 2, 3, 4. These past 4 items are bomb. I love. Okay, so the next 2, it looks like they're going to be skincare. So we're going to start off with this one. This item right here is from the brand Go To, and they are exfoliating swipeys. Okay, swipeys. All right, let's see what it is about. Okay, so this is what the little tub looks like. They smell really good. They're little wipies and they look nice and juicy. I'm not gonna touch it because I do not want to contaminate them. I'm gonna wait to use these because my hands are kind of dirty because I just touched all that stuff in the palette. So this is what it looks like. It looks like they're little wipies to exfoliate your face, and they look really nice and juicy. I can't wait to try this out. And then the last item that we got in our box is this right here. This is by the brand Clarins, and it's an instant smooth base. It's a line smoothing perfecting touch. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so it's gonna help with your texture. It's gonna blur your texture out, and it's gonna smooth your wrinkles and fine lines. Oh my God, yes, I need that because I am pre-aging already. I'm turning into a little viejita. Okay. Oh, it looks really small. I was totally expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but it's kind of small. This is what the little jar looks like, but I'm pretty sure like a small amount goes a really long way. So I would probably use this before I apply my full face of makeup. Maybe like as a primer. Oh, I know I'm gonna like the texture of this because it looks like pretty thick. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna like cover all the pores and smooth it out just like how it said. So it's gonna help out with like your texture and smooth out all those little fine lines. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay guys, let me go ahead and recap everything that we got in our box. I'm loving this box, guys. 5 stars this month. 5 stars. I am really loving it. Okay guys, so first off, the Illuminati palette, which is this one right here. It does retail for $48. This is super fancy. All right, next up, the Clarins little primer, which is this one right here. It does retail for $39. And then the Kosas face oil foundation, which is this one right here. It does retail for $42. Wow. And then the go-to skincare exfoliating swipeys, which is this one right here. It does retail for $35. And then we have the Fenty Beauty little brow thing. This one retails for $20. And lastly, the Laura Geller matte liquid lipstick, which is this one. It's so beautiful. This one retails for $21, guys. OMG, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so the whole total value of my box was of $205 and I only paid like $35 or so. I highly suggest Boxycharm for you guys to go check it out. Dude, they over exceeded my expectations. Like I said, I give this month's box 5 stars for sure. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope it was nice, fast, and snappy so you guys can have like the deets of what are the variations that are out there. I got variation number 2 and I highly suggest Boxycharm for you guys to go check out. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite product or what did you get in your box. I'm so excited. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.